Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing kind of like my first thoughts of this StarTech 12 unit server rack. So I'm actually starting a little project that I got going on. Unfortunately, I won't be finishing it anytime soon, but I'm starting to order parts for, for this. If you saw my last video, basically I bought kind of like a server case that you could go right ahead and rack mount it. So inevitably, once that unit gets, set up and I get the parts for it, it's going to go right ahead and go into this puppy. So first thoughts on this server rack is it is sturdy. The majority of the parts are metal, so it is stable. As you can see right here, I do have a patch panel just so you can kind of have a visual representation. So the installation was fairly simple. This actually does come with some instructions. So basically you got your instructions here. Some of the things that the unit does come with is, of course, some of the equipment that you'll use to actually mount some of your units here. So you do have the screws, all that good stuff. It does have, of course, these little kind of like, I think they're like 10 gauge, maybe 12 gauge strips right here, so you could go right ahead and ground the unit if you need to. You have the bolts and the washers just to basically get everything squared away, so you could go right ahead and build this. For some odd reason with me is like I verified everything was bolted. I'll probably have to check again, but I did get two extra ones, so there we go. Get some more nut or bolts, washers, and nuts here. I'm not exactly sure which ones are these, but nonetheless, you do have those. And you also get some more. So you get these four right here. One of the things I didn't install just because these are probably the only thing that's actually plastic on the unit. So it's just kind of like for cable management. So if you're going to be running, let's just say, like kind of like this patch panel, that you're going to be running drops on this, you could go right ahead and set this up kind of like right here in the corner. And at that point, you could go right ahead and route whatever cables you want. You can't really, modify where you want it. There's already pre-drilled holes right here. So it would be basically right here in the middle and as well as in the back, and then also in the other side. So one of the cool things that I found that they included in this, in this unit is they actually give you tools. So they give you all the tools that you'll need to basically put this rack together. So I want to point out basically the height. So if you have it just how I have it right now, which would be with the wheels, it's going to be 28 inches tall. And then without the wheels, which would just be the base all the way over here, it'd be 25 inches. So the width is actually going to be a little bit under 34 inches. One of the things that I really did like about this case is that the depth on this is actually adjustable. So in its current state right now, it's 22 inches, and it can go right ahead and be extended to 40 inches in depth. So overall, I am really happy with this purchase. I was actually, I was debating into either getting the 12 unit one or I believe it was a 24 unit one. But the more that I looked at it, I was like, well, I mean, I'm only going to have, a router. I might have a patch panel switch. I might have a server. Maybe I'll go ahead and install some UPSs on it. But I think with this 12 unit, it's going to be good. Nonetheless, that is the end of this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to, leave them in the comments. I'll go ahead and try to answer them. And like always, we will catch you on the next one.